today. Well, she's been leaking out of a radiator. It's been cracked. Anytime I stop, it leaks out. So, went and got a new radiator. Now when you get these radiators, you always want to check, obviously, if it's the right one, but yeah, I already checked it. It is the right one. They get a little lazy in the factory, so things you want to check, you make sure they got those on there. Already checked that. That's tight. This one's tight. Yeah. See, now if you would have just slapped it in after you got it, you would have had problems.
Instantly.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, pull this one out. I don't think she wants to come out. Now that's a bad sign. Well, I'm gonna have to clean these threads and then reinstall it. Threads, they're like, feel like they're okay. Yeah, maybe this was made on a Friday, I don't know. Okay, it does have, these have to seat. That shouldn't have been like that. See how it got in there? So I'm going to use my thread file and clean this up. We'll be right back. Alright, got that one snug. They have a little O-ring in there. This one, the same thing. See, at the factory, they were supposed to finish this. So all you do.
Straight pipe?
Yeah, you like that one. Just an old piece of shit truck. Has no muffler. Okay. Everything's ready. So, and let me get some stuff out of the way. Take that away now. What we'll do is start. I've been emptying it. Get that one. Oh, this is Kyle, one of our new tire guys. He's really good here. There we go. Straighten a little quicker now. So that's an 8. That's an 8. Get this off.
Best of luck, Steve.
Yep. You want to get this part out of the way.
Makes it easier to get the radiator out.
Yeah. Actually, now that I look at it, let's do it like this. Let's leave that and do this. Okay. Undo the box. That way I can get in here. My little pliers. Get it up here,
Oh, you can see it's draining everywhere except where you want it.
Yes, I still use air tools. Ooh, 7.
Air leakage? Yeah, on the back side.
One more. Got that out of the way. I already replaced the dual thermostat. I love that this truck has it. That means I can get warm in the morning while the engine's waiting to get warm. Now I can reach that hose clamp easy. Get this out of the way. I don't want to bump this and break that. I have a special tool to remove that. I'll be right back.
What do we got here?
This is pneumatic fan clutch wrench set. Take this piece. This one seems to be the most average, as you can tell it compared to the rest. Set up flames on it. Just take a couple of dugs and that's it.
Kapat, kapat.
And if we go the wrong way, nothing will happen.
Loud noises.
The other one. There she goes. That's it. Let your tool drop on the ground.
At least it didn't drop into the antifreeze.
This fan clutch is getting a little
Dusty.
Yeah.
Well, we are in the desert.
I would be replacing this fan, but this is winter. And the economy being the way it is,
It'll be summertime before you get the fan.
probably. So I'll be doing this part of this job again. We don't have to show you it, so I'll probably get a fan clutch at the same time. That's the best deal. Now we have this 10 and 10. Now, if we were at the house, we would have used the electric goodie. Thinking maybe I should get a second one for work. I love that. That tool is awesome. This one's loud. This is one of the amazing things about Ford. They usually make things difficult, like The book gives around 3 hours to replace this thermostat. Goes way back in there, and yeah, it does take time.
Yummy.
But for this part, let me get on the good side of that. Okay, gotta remove the lines anyways. Once the lines are out of the way, this whole unit just slides right up out of the way. Ooh.
Yeah.
That's right. It's a 16. Then you'll want to replace the cap. But because of Biden's administration, our economy is shot to shit. I blame a lot of that on Congress more, but just saying. You got new people in there, we'll see how that goes. You never know. Get that second line off. To go slow go, huh? There we go. Should be able to spin off my fingers. Yep. Fun. Good. A little messy, you'll top off after. But let's see if I can sort of a balancing thing here. You want to get these lines out of the way at the same time I'm bringing this up. See what I'm talking about? Yeah, you can see how that's cracking away, so I need to get a fan, and might as well get a new clutch with it. There'll be a visit to Amazon. See, yeah, Ford made that easy. Don't know why they didn't make the other stuff easy. That was a 19 on this one. This is the factory for opening up the petcock to let all the coolant out. Just thought I'd let you know. And what do we got? This is nice. See, even Ford made this part fairly easy. Just undo the hose. This one, it slides down in. I got to undo. After it finishes dripping. So let's start with handy dandy hose clamp remover. Ooh, it got its little springy thingy. I hate those. Not those clamps, a little safety thing. Ta-da! One part on the ground, and the other one. Rip that a little more. Okay, we're gonna let it drip out a little more. I'm gonna go down there and undo that clamp and pop it off. You had it that direction. Interesting. I already pre-checked my hose. They're pretty good still. They're not all ballooned out. So
How many miles you got on this?
160,000. Yeah. It runs pretty good. I like it. Strange thing is, you open up a... Well, we're ready to put the new one in, but I gotta take the jacket off. Yes, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Alright. Oh yeah, the sun came out real nice. Which means we'll probably be doing another video right after this one. Will be more on the Edsel. We'll be putting the hill wigs on for the springs to level out the Edsel. The shifter bushing that was special made that he had to have shipped back to him. And I think that'd be it. So I'll throw this in the truck and we'll put that in. Okay. I'll pop all the plugs once I get it. Remember this one side and stuff.
There you go.
And then it's got these little bushings down here. It goes in. Just seat right there. Other one. Other one. There we go. And those two. We'll get those right after I put this little giddy on. You want this? It kind of directs everything. It holds down that hose. Does like a few little here. One at a time. Let's see where's the best spot. Now, if you're doing stuff at your house a lot, it wouldn't be a bad thing to get a box. Not just of these, it's an assortment. Chuck was smart. He got like, what, 1 or 2 boxes of them?
Yeah.
We've also done that with other things like zip ties and electrical connectors. Where do you get your stuff? Through Amazon?
Yeah, I do all on Amazon. Makes it easier.
Plus when
That way I don't have to go out driving around looking for the stuff. They just ship it right to you.
Fun.
A little off-centered.
Yeah.
There it is.
There we go.
Beautiful.
That's those guys. Well, these 2 guys right here. Remember, these were 10s. You can find the damn hole. Holy moly. What the? Found a problem. Oh, the little thingy got weak. So, what you can do for those, put these right here. Get like a little screwdriver, get it in position. Do a little
There.
it's just enough to hold it in place. The other one, yep, the other one's completely just easier. We can take them out. Let's see if I can push that down a little and come over here. And actually, you can see it squishing back into place a little. Twink. Stubborn. Alright, I think that's up enough. No,
Yep.
not good enough for me. Okay, let's go back in your hole. And none of what I just did worked. She's gonna be a mean one. Let's try another trick. Nothing frazzing.
2 hours later.
Whoa, that trick worked better.
Click. Worked so good, couldn't get it back in there, could you?
Voila! Now, it's back in their little bushings. Go. Put that lower hose on. Just remove these. Don't throw these away. These can be handy on other projects. The hard ones with the holes in them, they're useless. So, yeah, I'm surprised. Okay, now that it's cleaned, I'm gonna fish this through here. Where are these lines that got in the way that I almost put on before I should? Okay, they got these 2 little launch goodies. Lock right there. There that is. Now I can take these.
Hey,
bolts and put 'em
I
on.
wouldn't do that if I were you.
What?
Because you might want to get your fan. and put it
Yes.
in there.
Why didn't you guys say anything?
You really want to do this backwards, huh?
Yeah. I just want to get it done, John, get it done.
Well, at least it's your vehicle, not mine.
This.
There we go.
And kind of get this started. Okay. Be patient. That's it. Stir it together. Then you can. There we go. Oof. And spin. Spin, spin, spin. Okay. Then, well, store right there. Bang went everywhere.
What'd you lose? The one on the ground?
Sit on the ground?
Underneath the vehicle?
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You forgot you dropped it, didn't you?
Yep. Just trying to get through this quick for you guys, so. So it's snug. Alright. Now that's like that. What I'm gonna do is just tap it once. It doesn't take a whole lot. Just go crack and it snugs it. That's it. Twice. You know, it helps if you actually put it up the right way. Yeah, we're stopping this video to get me to put this stuff away correctly. There. There. And you actually go over here. That one goes over there. And now you can close it. Okay. Enough screwing around. Now, put these little guys in.
Yeah, you're just using the same hardware that came with the vehicle. You don't have to go out and get any special bolts or anything, because they don't supply you with new ones, so you just use the originals.
The original bolts. For this, it's just the two. But always check your new part. It's supposed to have those little clips we pointed out earlier.
Earlier.
Universal 10 again. Or what Raymond likes to call what does he like to call them?
Wobbly bits or something.
Wobbly bits. Hoping his new shop's doing good. Okay, now we can get the trans lines started. And I remember these were 16 millimeter right there. I can't believe they put O-rings in there. What were they thinking? Those are wondering, yeah, that's double flare. And I looked in the mirror and saw the reflection. It was supposed to be used with the double flare. But if somebody has an idea of why they put O-rings in there, please write in the comment. And 16. Okay, 16. Make sure it's snug. I think. No, that's 22. Beat this guy. 22. Oh, look what he's doing. See?
Santa's here.
That's what. See what I told you? If we're not barbecuing, we all like to eat together. It's a good team. Took years to get this team at this shop. Oh. Since I don't want that part to spin, I just want it to get tight. There we go. Click. All right, Chuck, what are we missing now? Come on.
Fluids. Did you plug everything back in? No.
Missing this hose.
Upper hose. Lower hose is in.
Like I said, these are a. Tell you what, I'm gonna do it like this so it's away from there. Okay, now
Safety first.
I can control it. Yep. Now that you got your Kentucky fits on, I know this looks a little green, it's also yellow. It's supposed to fit everything, and I'm like, if I remember right, I think it's supposed to be Ford Gold. Yeah. Looking at the, which could be G05. Two hours later. Yep, after looking at these hoses, I probably will replace the upper and lower hose. When I do the fan, I'm going to do the hoses. Might as well. That's why I'm using this, it's not in the store, called Kentucky Fits All, but that's, my friend Bob came up with that, and I thought it was funny. But it's supposed to fit everything. Don't go by this. We've cleaned this out. It's not deck school.
No.
This, we're just using it as a container. We have a giant pump barrel that gets full from the company that we use. Be right back. All right, so we're the Kentucky Fits All pumped out of the 50-gallon,
55-gallon drum.
yeah,
Barrel.
thingy.
I mean, from the thingy bopper that's over there on the thingy bopper.
Yeah, that do gadget that has the humpty uppity downy thing. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Another 2 hours later. Or you could film it right in here. You can go, look, satisfied. Everybody likes to see blurpees. I usually fill it slower, but yeah. See, it's kind of like our economy going down the drain. Each burp is a Biden decision. Okay, I lied. It was more of a Congress thing. Bailout. What do you think? We're gonna have to pay for that. Whoops. Did I get you?
Don't think so.
All right, let me get more.
Bail out.
Yeah. Okay, the next thing to do is run it. It'll get up temperature, the thermostat will open, finish burping it, then we test drive it, and that would be it. So now you see how easy it is to replace a radiator and a 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. And they only came with the 4.0, so there you go. So don't forget to buy the merch so we can get stuff like, you know, say leaf springs for this truck or some goodies for Chuck's Jeep, and we can do videos on that. Until next time, which would be Etzel time or E-Day. Happy wrenching. We'll see you later.
All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.